if in fact this did happen, let's say they do produce some facts,
Right.
then you got to look at the issues. What was it? Because again, we all know about that casting couch. We all know about women's and men's
Right.
strive to want to get ahead. So
Right.
I ain't gonna lie. If I'm 17, 18 years old and I'm having an opportunity to get on the Cosby Show, a cameo, or make my dreams, even some of his interns and past workers said that they were trying to get on.
Right.
Now, you willingly, consensually had sex, and now all of a sudden you mad because you want to jump on the
Right.
bandwagon?
Yeah.
So
Right.
there's several different variables that could go on. I'm just disappointed in our own communities that are going against Cosby without even having a fresh sense or even just the patience
Right.
to say, hey, let's just not talk about this. I'm getting so furious with Facebook right now because people are sharing and sending stuff off without even looking to the roots. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
They're tainting this man's legacy. He was
Yes, they
so
are.
close, and now regardless, I'm getting mad. I'm about to start talking Spanish in here.
Yeah.
I mean, it gets to that point where
I understand. I understand your passion. I was kind of in the middle of it until I saw that TV Land pulled the marathon, the Thanksgiving marathon, which has been a staple for Thanksgivings for many years, and now they're talking about pulling the Cosby Show in entirely. That thing has been running for what? If I guess off the top of my head, 25 years.
plus, yeah.
You know what
'cause
I'm saying? Plus.
Yeah, and it was
Plus,
yeah.
and so now you're gonna pull that.
without on hearsay, and I think that's what
Yeah,
the
it's
anger
just a
is.
shot.
Not
It's a shot at us.
right, and
It's
it's not.
just a shot at us.
It's not even the fact that if it was true, totally understood. TV Land,
Right.
good job. Thank you
Exactly.
for taking a stand. Blah blah blah. However,
But you're going off of
Nothing.
hearsay. There's fuzzy information at best, and now you can't even bring it to the court of law because the own prosecutor said it's too late to even prosecute him.
and then hold on, he's one better
Right.
with this Janice Dickinson. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
With Janice Dickinson, people are like, well, and again, I want to say this to any victims out there that have been raped. This is not shunning or discrediting what you've been through. Okay?
No.
This is what now is there are facts to make sure that the accused is properly handled.
Right.
Period, point blank. This is all it is. And I understand watching some of the comments, it took somebody, 10 years sometimes to come out because they were embarrassed. And I 1,000 understand that. I get it. But you have a person like Janice Dickinson who is openly crazy, who I'm popping pills, I'm not embarrassed of nothing. So you couldn't, it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit that you were embarrassed that it happened.
Hold on. She said Bill did something to her too?
Yes.
You didn't see it?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Exactly. And one of those things is,
Oh.
and as messy as I don't even want to say her name because we're going to talk about her next with the whole Aaliyah biopic.
Yeah.
But as messy as she is, she said, well, this is not the drug Janice. This is the real Janice. How do you know? At this point, but I'm just saying, it's like if I'm
Right.
an extrovert all the time and I'm always out there
Yeah,
and I'm not
yeah.
embarrassed and I talk about me being fat, my big boobs, whatever it is, and I'm just not ashamed of nothing, then I say I was ashamed to say that I was raped.
Yeah.
It doesn't fit.
It doesn't fit
It
at
doesn't
all.
fit.
Doesn't
So-
fit at all. And that's a great observation. I didn't even look at it that way. It does not fit. You're on there live with Michael and Melinda, the M Squad
No, it's
show.
not Michael. Michael is somewhere parading around his 112.
Oh, I'm sorry.
He's singing Cupid and
Okay.
Playa over there somewhere in St. Louis. Like, Playa.
Oh,
Is this?
yeah, is this your squad show?
Oh, no.
See? You
Right.
got caught in that.
I want to say that Melinda sucks and Mike totally rolls and Melinda sucks forever and
I suck what?
and
What do I suck?
112 is the greatest.
What he
Melinda,
said?
you suck.
What he said? Michael's the greatest?
What's up, man?
Michael King's the greatest and Melinda, you suck.
Michael Keith,
What's happened, Negro?
did you... What's happened, Gringo?
Hey, so President Obama got that immigration thing going on. That's pretty big for you, huh, Melinda?
Where's that hang-up button at? Normally when Michael starts talking crazy, I hit the doop, 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 because he started that on me first. But Michael,
Yes,
what's the weather like there in St. Louis, man?
it's freaking freezing, man. There is shrinkage.
Your shrinkage happening?
There is shrinkage. You know, as a matter of fact, hold on. This
No.
is how I'm really talking today.
Keith Parker. Oh, wait a minute. So, you didn't catch that, did you, Michael?
Hurry, Shorty, man. You know, I gotta
Hey
get
man,
to the show.
hey,
You know, I gotta
she
get
already
to the
got
show.
me. She already talked me into coming and taking your part. I said that's big shoes to fill. I don't know if I can do that. So
Sean, I will kick you in your
Yeah,
throat.
yeah,
I never
yeah,
said
Sean.
take his part.
Yeah, it's impossible. It's impossible. So stop it.
Michael,
Okay, yeah.
tell me something. Did you already do sound check?
Yeah, sound check is done. It sounds great. We're just really, really excited. Vivica Fox is hosting the show tonight. This is for cancer survivors, you know, and with everything that's going on with Ferguson and whatever, we're just really hoping that people are coming out and show support. And, you know, like we got a lot of white folks that are scared up here and stuff, man. But, you know, rest assured that, you know, we know how to carry ourselves. As long as everybody, our hope and our goal is everybody can still exercise their right to protest without there being any violence
Absolutely.
and things of this nature. So, you know, we're just really excited about tonight. Everybody come out. If you're in the St. Louis area and you're listening to the M Squad show, come out. The tickets are still available. You know, we're going to have a really good time. The sound is amazing. Like I said, Vivica A. Fox will be there tonight.
Yeah.
And it is, and you know, it's for you know, for breast cancer and cancer awareness and survivors. So,
Yeah.
you know, what better way to, you know, cap the night off than with a, you know, evening with one 12.